Hi, Tony Shives coming to you from All Things Automotive. A lot of times I'm asked, how often do you change your oil? Well, that's different for different people. Some folks only drive 3,000 miles a year. You run conventional oil, and really you do need to change your oil at least once a year, whether you're driving 5 miles or 50,000 miles. The proper answer is consult your owner's manual. It's always in there. If you don't have an owner's manual, call the guys here in the back in the service department and we can tell you. I would tell you, if you're running synthetic and you're doing highway miles every 5,000 to 8,000 miles. This is my personal opinion. If you're running 3,000 miles a year, run conventional oil. Do it once a year. Get your oil changed, get your state inspection done. You'll be covered once a year. Any other questions? Give us a call here at All Things Automotive, 717-485-4224.